Have you ever wondered if there's a secret weapon for authors that won't break the bank? A tool that promises to simplify the often complex world of writing and publishing, all without a hefty recurring fee. Well, if you're an author, aspiring or established, you've probably heard whispers about the Atticus program. It's gained a lot of traction in the self-publishing community, lauded for its all-in-one approach to writing, editing, and formatting. But here's the burning question that often comes up in every author group, every forum, every conversation. How much does the Atticus program actually cost? It's a question that deserves a thorough answer, especially in a landscape filled with subscriptions, hidden fees, and tools that promise the moon but deliver only a sliver of what you need. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the price tag, let's set the stage a little. Why is Atticus even a topic of conversation? What problems does it aim to solve for authors? For years, the process of writing a book was a multifaceted beast. You'd write in one program, maybe Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Then you'd export it only to import it into another, often complex, formatting software like Adobe InDesign or, for Mac users, the highly praised but platform-exclusive Vellum. This process involved learning multiple interfaces, dealing with compatibility issues, and often spending a significant amount of money on various subscriptions or one-time purchases. And let's not forget the sheer frustration of trying to get your manuscript to look perfect for both ebook and print, navigating the intricate demands of different platforms like Amazon KDP, Ingram Spark, or Draft 2 Digital. This is where Atticus stepped in, promising to be the ultimate author's companion. Imagine a single piece of software where you can not only write your masterpiece but also seamlessly format it for both digital and print, with professional-looking results. No more jumping between applications, no more wrestling with complex formatting codes, no more hair-pulling frustration. Sounds like a dream, right? But dreams often come with a price. So, let's cut to the chase. How much does the Atticus program cost? Here's the good news, and it's a big one that sets Atticus apart from many of its competitors. Atticus is a one-time purchase. That's right, there are no recurring monthly subscriptions, no annual fees that sneak up on you, and no hidden costs to unlock essential features down the line. You pay for it once and you own it for life. And what is that one-time cost? Atticus is currently priced at $147. Now, let's break down why this is such a significant point for authors and why it's a game changer for many in the self-publishing world. Think about it, many software tools these days operate on a subscription model. While this can be convenient for some, it can quickly add up, especially if you're a long-term user. For authors who might take months or even years to write a single book, or those who write sporadically, a recurring subscription can feel like a financial drain. With Atticus, that $147 is a singular investment. It means you can take your time, write as many books as you want, and format them all without ever having to worry about another payment. But does that one-time payment cover everything? Absolutely. The $147 includes all of Atticus's features, from its robust writing environment to its extensive formatting options, and critically, it also includes all future updates at no additional cost. This is a huge benefit. As software evolves, new features are added, and bugs are fixed. Knowing you'll always have access to the latest version without further payment provides incredible peace of mind and long-term value. Let's put this into perspective by briefly comparing it to some other popular tools in the author's arsenal. Vellum, often considered the gold standard for book formatting, especially for Mac users, costs around $249 for both ebook and print formatting. While excellent, its higher price point and Mac-only compatibility make Atticus a more accessible and affordable option for a wider audience, including Windows, Linux, and even Chromebook users. Then there's Scrivener, a fantastic writing and organization tool, which costs around $49. However, Scrivener typically charges for major version upgrades, meaning your initial $49 might not be the final cost over time if you want to stay updated. Atticus's model eliminates this concern entirely. For that $147, what do you actually get? You get an intuitive writing interface that helps you organize your chapters, set writing goals, and track your progress. You get a powerful formatting engine with a wide variety of professional templates and customization options, allowing you to create beautiful ebooks and print books with ease. It supports full-bleed images, offers a custom theme builder, and allows for quick export into all the necessary formats. EPUB, MOBI, though less relevant now with Kindle's move to EPUB, PDF, and DOCX. This means your book will be ready for virtually any publishing platform you choose. Furthermore, Atticus is cloud-based, meaning you can access your projects from any device with an internet connection. This cross-platform accessibility is a massive advantage, allowing you to seamlessly switch between your desktop, laptop, or even a tablet, and pick up right where you left off. The software also boasts features like sprint timers to boost your productivity, and it integrates with popular tools like Grammarly's Chrome extension. Of course, no software is perfect. Some users have noted that while Atticus is robust, it might not have the hyper-specific, advanced design features of a dedicated layout program like Adobe InDesign, which, to be fair, comes with a much higher monthly subscription cost. And there isn't a free trial, which can be a minor drawback for those who prefer to test drive software extensively before committing. However, Atticus does offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing a risk-free way to try it out and see if it meets your needs. This demonstrates their confidence in the product and offers a safety net for authors. The value proposition of Atticus is undeniably strong. For a single payment, you gain a comprehensive tool that simplifies the entire writing and formatting process, saving you time, frustration, and potentially hundreds of dollars in recurring fees or outsourcing costs for professional formatters. If you're serious about self-publishing and want a powerful, user-friendly tool that evolves with you, Atticus presents a compelling case. It's an investment, yes, but one that pays dividends by empowering you to produce high-quality, professionally formatted books without the constant financial overhead. For many authors, this shift from subscription fatigue to a one-time purchase model is incredibly appealing, allowing them to focus on what truly matters: writing compelling stories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.